Hi, maayong adlaw. Ini ang inyong alagad si Patrick Bucabal, your Juandering Negrense sang Tukib Channel TV. I'm here in the gateway of Romblon Province, the municipality of Odiongan. Join me as we discover the town's abundant waterfalls, natural springs like green beaches, and seaside cliff jumping sites. Pero bago na natin lagawan, we have to discover its history, culture, and tradition para makilala natin ang municipality sang Odiongan.
Odiongan is located in Mimaropa region, sa tunga sa katulungdan nga bahin, part of Tablas Island. Odiongan has the land area of 18,567 hectares. Much of the town lies in the low-lying plains along the coast, with rolling hills kag may mga nabukid nga bahin nga kagubatan at the interior. Odiongan, derived from the word odyong, a local term for arrow. According to the legend, during the height of Moro raid against natives in the Visayas, the Moro contingent attacked a fort situated in the Midget Peninsula between the Bungoy and Bangon River. The people resisted and the battle started. Spears and arrows were thrown everywhere. A lot of Moros and the townspeople were wounded, and the Moros retreated and went back to where they came from. The only thing left from the battle was a big arrow stuck in the tree in the middle of the lake. The arrow was not removed as a symbol of victory of the townspeople. And then, the place was called Odiongan, meaning struck by an arrow, which later metamorphosed to Odiongan. Municipality of Odiongan is part of Romblon Province. Diri na kita sa exciting part. Diin ang manami nga lagawan sa Odiongan. Our first stop is the tourism office para makakuha kami information kung sa diin ang mga matahom nga lugar nga nami lagawan sa Odiongan. The moment when we entered the office, we were greeted by the friendly staff and was eager to help us out. Kag sa ila tourism office, nagtampad man sa amon ang mga laragway of the town's history, kag mga laragway sang politiko nga nagserbisyo sa siningabanwa. Kag diri man naka-display ang mga local products, ilabi na ang mga produkto nga nahuman sa marble, kag sa mga produkto nga nahuman sa indigenous materials like sa sining nga mga bags, kag mga kalo. According to the tourism officer, bugana sang dumang manggad ang Odiongan. Ilabi na ang ilang mga waterfalls. Kag isa sa mga ginapromote nila amo ang Garing Falls nga makita sa tunga sang kagulangan sang Progreso Weste. Kag kung feeling mo ikaw si Tarzan nga gusto magkabit-kabit, this is a perfect place for your travel adventure. Kag ang ikaduwa nila nga ginapromote nga destinasyon amo ang Mainit Falls nga makita sa tunga sang kagulangan sang Patoo. Ginatawag ini nga Mainit Falls tungod ang tubig nga nagailig sa sininga falls is mainit. And the last on the list is the Linaw ni Victo Falls nga makit-an sa Barangay Paniki kag ini nga falls na palibutan sa mga dalagko nga mga bato, perfect for cliff jumping shots. Kag kung gusto mo iban naman nga trip nga medyo relax kag mag-enjoy sa scenery, you can ride on a boat trip into Matabuba River in Barangay Budyong. May kalabaon ini nga 5 ka kilometro kag imo ma-enjoy ang biodiversity sang sininga dumang manggad while cruising the river. If you're a beach goer and wanted to catch the beautiful sunset of Odiongan, the best place to go is the Tabing Dagat Beach. And also for the finest swimming spots for family outings and barkada getaway is the Casa de Aplaya located in Barangay Libertad and Bagulayag Beach in Barangay Canduyong. Kag madamo pa sila sang mga matahom nga tourist spots like sang Firmalo Boulevard, Libertad Mangrove Forest, Mount Manapon kag Gabawan Vista Point. The best way to enjoy more of Odiongan is to taste their local food. Me and my friend Rene Aluamento went to one of the local resto in Odiongan proper, the Ghetto Plates.
Kung ginagustuhan sa amin, madami ng pagkain. And affordable.
We also went to Max Chicken and Barbecue House.
So we're from Bacolod and we came from the chicken country of the Philippines. Only to be in Odiongan to go to a
Chicken and barbecue house.
barbecue house. Because they do have a lot of choices here. They have soup, vegetables, meat,
Yeah.
and seafoods.
They also have situ meal.
So since we are in Odiongan, so we ordered seafood, and also since
Yeah.
we're from Bacolod, we tried also the chicken. So let's try it.
When it comes to food, Odiongan has plenty to offer. But unfortunately, we are on a short stay and we are not able to explore more sang iban nga mga restaurants kag tilawan ang ila mga pagkaon. We also visited one of our friends' garden that has a huge collection of exotic plants, and these plants are all seed-grown and hybrid nepenthes. We were in awe and amazed of his carnivorous plants collection. We are so overwhelmed with joy and excitement.
Sobrang ganda. I mean, yung mga features, there are unique features na nakita ko, and at the same time, yung si Rene, bumili ng mga neps for his collection din. Ang dami oh. Tsaka I noticed here, ito is napaka-organized. Hindi yung parang nasa gubat ka. Sobrang organized na greenhouse ni Doc.
Amazing, very amazing collection. This is just a part of his garden that I've seen today, and oh my God, this is I can't stop smiling. I'm like a kid in a ballpark right now, and just massive and a very nice collection of nepenthes. And I got a lot of tips from him.
We are on a cloud 9 seeing his collections. This is a private garden and it's not open for public. We are just fortunate that we knew the owner, a respectable doctor of Odiongan and a businessman, Doc Court. Odiongan is a second-class municipality of Romblon, a center of trade and commerce and a burgeoning town. Under the leadership of Mayor Trina Firmalo-Fabic, Municipality of Odiongan was awarded as #1 most competitive town in Mimaropa region. During the 9th Annual Regional Competitiveness Summit, the CMCI 2021 Awards. Municipality of Odiongan was awarded as second overall most competitive LGU, second place Government Efficiency Pillar, second place Infrastructure Pillar, third place Economic Dynamism Pillar among 29 first to second class municipalities in Mimaropa region. And because of that, it will bring more investors and entrepreneurs that will create more jobs and opportunities to the people of Odiongan. During the height of the health crisis, tourism was one of the affected industry, and Mayor Trina is in full support of the recovery of local tourism.
We have an organization of all the hotels, restaurants, and resorts. They regularly meet. And in fact, it's not just us helping them, but nung time ng pandemic, yung mga hotels, restaurants, and resorts dito, sila pa nagbibigay ng tulong sa iba. No? Nagbibigay din sa ayuda. Even though they were affected, pero they were also helping. So it just shows na very organized yung grupo. So we're trying to help them with their DOT accreditation, with helping to get yung mga ayuda or funds from, di ba, yung DOT nagbigay din. So facilitating that. And then we also try to ensure na parang we're coordinating with them all the time in terms of kung may mga concerns, problems sila, we try to address those. So, andun yung support for that sector or that industry. Just even the culture and the people here are reputed to be very nice, very friendly. So, parang tourists have a very positive experience here in terms of yung human interaction nila. Yun nga, we are also working with mga vloggers, may mga yung mga very active sa social media and online content. So, they're helping us. Recently, we just finished yung video for our town fiesta. So it also highlights yung ibang mga tourist spots dito sa Odiongan. And then we have our brochures and other materials. So yun, we're just trying to spike the interest of people to come and visit us here. So yun muna for now, and yun na, slowly we're also recovering. And sa tingin ko, things will be back to normal soon. Parang almost normal na nga eh.
As soon as everything getting back to normal, make sure to include Odiongan on your next travel destination.
So, maadong adlaw sa tanan. Actually, very similar yung culture ng Negros tsaka ng Romblon. So, inimbitahan ko kayo to come and visit us here in Romblon, especially here in our town of Odiongan. Very peaceful, slow pace of life that will be relaxing and enjoyable for all of you. Napakarami po naming mga tanawin, ang daming pwedeng puntahan, and just really enjoying island life is what you will get when you come here. So, see you here!
So this wraps up my journey in the municipality of Odiongan Romblon. There are plenty of places pa to discover in the island of Tablas, and we will do that in our next adventure. This trip is truly worth it. So join me next time sa kasunamang nga lagaw ni Juandering Negrense. Bye-bye!